So this duck just flew up here to see me and my friends. Look at this huge duck right here. That's a swan. Or goose. Hey, goose. And that's the regular duck. And there's other ducks. And it just flew up here. Like 3 other ones tried to fly up here, but they went back in the water. And look, I don't know if he's kicking up dirt or if that's poop coming out his butt. And it was, look, it's a turtle right here. Maybe they expected me to feed them. I ain't got no food, friends. Look, it's another turtle right there. I think they expected me to feed them. Look, all of them coming over here. And as soon as we walked across, they just flew up. And this one got on the thing. Look how, you can see how close it's gonna let me get. I hope it don't attack me. You just looking at me. Don't attack me. Are you gonna be nice? Hey. Hey, beautiful. Are you nice? I'm not gonna mess with you. You got a blue feather, look. Quack, quack. Y'all are so cool. I've been slacking. I gotta get back out here and fellowship with my friends. Oh look, that's a crane out there. You see it? Right there. He quacking. Hey, honey. Are you gonna let me pet you? No? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm not gonna come close. I'm gonna stay right here, okay? I ain't gonna mess with them. Y'all don't attack me. I'm just trying to be y'all friend. I ain't got no food. Miss Ma'am got the puppy. She listened to her more better than she listened to me. Hey y'all, sorry I ain't got no food. So are these different kind of... You walking the puppy? She said, get it together. Cleo mind her better than she mind me. I let her take control. I just pushed the chair. But this is amazing. I can't believe all of these, they just came up here. I think they expected me to feed them. But I wasn't on here. Look, it's a lot. Right here in this one spot. Okay, she about to hurt the dog. Let's go. Say hi. There's a lot of dogs out here too. You petting Cleo? Look at you. I don't think I've ever seen her pet Cleo. Good job. Yeah, they're following us. So they are either really attracted to us or they expecting me to feed them. But we're not the only ones on this bridge. So I don't know why they following us specifically. Hey friends, I ain't got no food. You see them? You see the ducks? The 3 musketeers, they coming to talk to you, honey. What's up? We ain't got no food. Sorry. Next time I'll bring some popcorn, okay? I think we're gonna turn around. This is a beautiful lake. This is beautiful. but it's hot out here. I am so grateful for God's goodness, as always. Yes. He always is so good to us. You can't go in there. Come on. He provides. He sustains. He comforts. He gives us peace and strategy. Yes, God is so good. Look at the beauty of his. It's a beautiful day. He even covers the sun when it gets too hot. He brings the rain to cool us off. I'm so grateful. I love y'all. Find reasons to be grateful. And even when you don't see me, trust me, I'm praying for you all, and me too. May the Lord have mercy on us all. Oh, I was trying to catch the turtles. Y'all didn't see those. I don't know if this is poop in this water or what, but it's so nasty. There's a turtle. I ain't got no food. Maybe that's mud. I don't know. But it sure look like poop to me. It's really gross.